All right, let's talk about picking a premium Shopify theme. It can feel like you're placing a really big, expensive bet, right? So today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular options out there, the Flow theme. We are going to put it through its paces with some real data to find out if it's actually worth your investment. Let's get into it.
Yeah, that $380 price tag is no joke. It's a serious chunk of change, and you need to know, is this a smart investment or is it just a costly mistake? Well, that's exactly why we're here. We've done the heavy lifting and the hands-on testing to give you a clear, data-backed answer.
Okay, so first things first. What exactly is Flow? Well, in a nutshell, it's a premium minimalist theme from the developers over at 8 Themes. The best way to think about it is like a beautifully designed, super clean art gallery, but for your products. It's engineered to make your stunning visuals the absolute star of the show. And that whole philosophy really tells you who this theme is for, right? It's all about putting high quality product images in the spotlight. That makes it a perfect fit for brands in fashion, beauty, artisan food, or home decor. Basically, if your products need to be seen to be believed, Flow was designed for you. All right, let's get to the most important part, performance. Because let's be honest, a beautiful store that's slow is a failing store. So instead of just giving you our opinion, we put all 5 of Flow's official demo stores to the test using Google PageSpeed Insights. Let's see what the data tells us. And here are the results. What you're looking at are the raw performance scores for each of Flow's 5 presets, tested straight from their demo stores. Now, pay close attention to the difference between those mobile and desktop scores. There's a really fascinating story here.
Wow, just look at that desktop performance. The green preset hitting a 97? That is staggering. Flow is an absolute beast on desktop, and what this tells us is that the underlying code is incredibly fast and efficient. It's going to be a seamless experience for anyone shopping on a computer.
Okay, now let's talk about the mobile scores. Topping out at 66. I know, it might seem a bit low at first glance, but here is the crucial context. These demo stores are intentionally using massive, uncompressed images. So what's the real story for an actual live store? So here's the key. Think of Flow as a high-performance sports car that comes with standard tires. The engine, the code base, is incredibly fast. We know that from the desktop scores. The mobile scores are a totally healthy baseline that, with just some standard image compression, can be improved significantly. It's a solid foundation that's just waiting for you to tune it up. Now, beyond just raw speed, one of Flow's biggest advantages is its built-in toolbox of features. And these aren't just little cosmetic add-ons. We're talking about powerful sales tools that can save you a serious amount of money in monthly app fees. The theme tackles 3 of the biggest e-commerce challenges head-on. It helps you create urgency with tools like a countdown timer. It's built to increase your average order value with built-in cross-selling. And it helps you recapture lost sales with back-in-stock alerts. It's all baked right in. And one of Flow's standout features is something called image hotspots. This is a game changer, especially for visual brands. It lets you turn a single lifestyle photo into an interactive, shoppable lookbook where your customers can add products to their cart directly from the image. It's so incredibly clever. And that is not all. Flow also includes product videos, gorgeous high-res galleries, clean color swatches, and a powerful mega menu for easy navigation. Plus, features like enhanced filtering and a sticky header just make the whole product discovery process that much smoother for your customers. Of course, Flow doesn't exist in a vacuum. To make the right choice, you really need to see how it stacks up against its main competitors. So we've put it head-to-head with other premium themes like Impulse and Prestige, and even Shopify's own free theme, Dawn. This table really lays out the different philosophies behind these themes. You can see how Flow is just laser-focused on visual merchandising, while Impulse is designed from the ground up for high-volume sales. Prestige is all about brand storytelling, and Dawn, well, being the free option, it's built for pure speed and simplicity. So the takeaway here is pretty simple. Choose Flow if your brand's success really hinges on stunning visuals. Think high-end fashion, artisan goods, or beauty products, things that need to be seen to be appreciated. You should choose Impulse if you're a high-volume retailer. It is a powerhouse built for managing huge catalogs and running constant sales, and it has the robust filtering and promotional tools to match. And you should pick Prestige if you're building a luxury brand where the story is just as important as the product. It really excels at weaving that rich editorial content and high-end blog layouts right into the shopping experience. And finally, choose Dawn if you're just starting out or maybe testing an idea. It's incredibly fast, and it is completely free. Just know that you'll probably eventually need to start paying for apps to get the advanced features that come built into the premium themes.
So after all the data and all the comparisons, we are back to that main question. Is Flow the right choice for your brand? Let's break it all down. It really comes down to two different paths. If you are an ambitious brand builder in a visual industry like fashion or food, the answer is a resounding yes. The return on investment from its built-in features and premium design is going to be massive. But if you're a bootstrapped starter who's still validating your concept, it's just smarter to begin with a free theme like Dom. Ultimately, this quote really just sums it all up. For brands that need their products to be the hero of the story, Flow provides one of the most powerful and beautiful platforms on the entire Shopify theme store. So the final decision is yours. Your brand has a unique story to tell, and your products absolutely deserve the best possible showcase. The only question left to ask is Flow the right canvas for that story?